Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can level up quickly in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, so let's get right into it. Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes is a mobile game developed by EA in which you create teams of either light side or dark side characters, which will then partake in battles, which will earn you several rewards. Now, as with any mobile game with levels, what you need to do to level up your account is to actually complete battles and earn XP. Now, you are limited to the amount of battles you can do in a certain amount of time since you have a limited energy bar or energy counter, as you can see in the top right with the lightning bolt, and that limits you quite a lot. Now, to actually level up quickly, what you will need to do is one way is to do daily activities. If you go into objectives and go into daily activities, this unlocks at level 6, but daily activities will earn you a lot of XP, so make sure that you do them daily, as is their name. Another way is to also spend your crystals, which is the purple sort of currency, to actually use them on energy refreshes, and then you will be able to go to more battles, and then you will earn even more XP. And yeah, those are pretty much the most time efficient, I guess. The harder the battles, the more XP you gain. And yeah, if I go into the light side, you will see that I have the option for normal and how hard is grayed out. To access hard, you will need to complete the entire stage, and then you will unlock the hard version of the stage. And hard versions give more XP, so keep that in mind. That is also a good way to earn XP. But yeah, that's been about it. Those are some tips I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.